WXM alert, spiking 15%.
WXM.
NAI alert, bleeding 30%. WXM alert, spiking 25%.
ELPW. WXM. IBG. IBG. MGIH. NCRA. ELPW. WXM.
WXM building.
WYHG. WYHG. WXM. WXM. NCRA. NCRA.
I'm staying up, watching every single chip. Borrow's high, but I'm not closing it. It looked so green before the fade. Now here we are, just waiting late. So tell me, will it turn around? I need one flush to take it down. Oh, tell me, will it turn around? But either way, hold my shot a while. I wish that it would crack in two. Hold my shot a while. Just one more red candle coming through. Hold my shot a while. My game, my game, my game, my game. Won't you drop a while? Tell me now, tell me something I don't know. Is that dilution finally gonna show? If you're gonna squeeze me first, at least make it worth holding my shot a while. I wish that borrow wasn't $5 grand.
WAFU. WXM. WXM. WYHG. WXM. 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 WXM.
WXM alert, surging 10%.
WXM. 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 MGIH. WAFU.
GUREE.
IREN.
WXM alert spiking 15%.
VG. WXM. NCRA. NCRA. IBG.
WXM alert, ripping 10%.
WAFU. NCRA. WXM. 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 WXM.
WXM.
WXM. WXM. WXM.
WXM should be good.
WXM. 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 WXM.
WXM, maybe.
ELPW. ELPW. WXM. Plug. WXM. 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 WXM.
WXM on watch.
WFF. MGIH. NCRA. WYHG. MTEN. WXM. NCRA. WYHG. ELPW. WYHG. WXM. WXM. WXM.
WXM worth monitoring.
WAFU. WFF. MTEN. TENX. WAFU. WAFU. FF. WAFU. TENX. ELPW. WAFU. 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 WXM. WXM.
WXM interesting action.
WXM. FF.
Riley.
RILY.
ELPW. WXM. WAFU. WAFU. MTEN. ELPW. TENX. NCRA.
Good morning. Benchmark market update. S&P futures down 1.25. Dow down 55. Nasdaq is up 9.50.
S&P futures are down.
NCRA.
Crude is up $2.28 at $84.41. Gold up 9.
Dow futures are down 55 points, and Nasdaq futures are up 9.50 points.
At 64,000.
Crude is up $2.28 to $84.41. Gold is up $9.20 to $44.28, and Bitcoin futures are up 105 to $64,225.
CAH Cardinal Health. After the
TENX.
close today, HRB, H&R Block, SMCI, Super Microcomputer,
ELPW.
CRWV CoreWeave. At 6 a.m., NFIB Small Business Optimism for July. At 8:15,
WXM.
weekly ADP employment change. At 8:40, Redbook.
ELPW.
At 10 a.m., existing home sales for July. At 1 p.m., the 3-year note
WXM.
auction. And at 4:30 p.m., the API weekly crude and gasoline stocks.
WXM. WAFU. Riot. ELPW. WXM.
Good morning.
WXM.
Just looking at the market, seeing what's going on so far this morning.
ELPW.
Not seeing anything that I need to jump on. ELPW would have been
TENX.
good, but there was no
MGIH.
locates for $1 a share, so little expensive. NCRA, I missed that one. Getting everything set up.
NCRA.
Does have a gap to fill down here. WIHG, not interested.
ELPW.
Just holding price. WXM.
WXM.
Nanofloat. Not really interested.
WXM. WXM.
Just waiting for
WXM.
the 1 or 10.
WXM. NB.
Riley,
WXM.
Riley has
WXM.
earnings today. I did 3 days ago. It's usually when I hear it on the scanners, they have
IREN.
earnings. NAII, there was no shares
NCRA.
available. I saw it spike, but nothing was available.
UIS,
SE. Big spread. NCRA. NCRA. WXM.
Just a straight pop and drop. It was lower
IBG.
volume. Just under 1 million shares now. Wafu,
NCRA.
probably not. WAFU.
WXM.
Riley,
I have it in the
NCRA.
yellow, but You can see what it did yesterday.
NCRA. NCRA.
Up in the after hours. Held VWAP. This one I expect it to make another pop up. If it does do a really big pop, then I'll consider it later.
NCRA.
But that's why
UIS.
I don't really like that chart pattern. It's like I don't think they had news or anything either. If they did, that would be
NCRA.
surprise. Oh, yeah, they did. Vertical large model
NCRA.
customization projects. So like they actually had news. Usually these don't even have any news.
Mara. WAFU. MGIH. MGIH.
GIH.
MTEN.
That one was going yesterday. That's a steady train right there.
WXM. WAFU. WXM. WXM.
WXM
WAFU.
Still not interested.
WAFU. 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 WAFU.
BLND.
MGIH. WAFU. NCRA.
Linkage Global is evaluating potential applications of the acoustic wellness technology in hotel and hospitality sector.
DGNX.
UCX.
WXM.
That one.
WXM.
It likes that, but
WXM.
almost got up to the area I like. Ooh. Yes. We like
WXM.
this. That was a pop before the news trade, because the news just
WXM.
came out. So if we can get back up there, let's do a 236.
WXM. WXM.
We'll do a true 3-6 on that one,
WXM.
because it has gaps to fill below. So hopefully we can start
NCRA.
move up. Oh, yeah,
WXM.
we nailed one, missed. Almost nailed
WXM.
a second, missed. Monthly pivot. Yeah, that one would be nice right there.
WXM.
Had a symbol change
NCRA.
May 28th. The 200 is up here.
MGIH. WAFU. WAFU.
Let's see. Add. I'm adding a window. This one, there we go.
MGIH. CIGL.
CIGL.
WXM. HFFG.
There's another one. So this one, if we can get the dollar cross, I like it. We got 94
WXM.
cents. Let's look at the dilution tracker. Nothing. Singapore. Let's locate.
WFF.
AIHS.
0.2 of a penny. If we can get back up there again.
WXM. MTEN.
90 droppiness. That right there. That's what I like.
CIGL.
Gaps to fill below. So my
CIGL.
cover would be 50 cents.
NCRA. NCRA. MTEN.
I'll start a position at the 236.
CIGL.
I don't know if it's gonna
MGIH.
make it back up there though.
ELPW.
Might have missed
WAFU.
that one.
WXM.
61 cents is the level of it dropping back down to 50.
WXM.
Yep, it's just gonna crash.
MGIH. WXM. WXM. WXM.
RSA got up to 89. That's a bummer. This one's gonna go right down to the gap fill. Right there. And it's probably gonna go red on the day.
WXM.
Probably gonna go right
WXM.
down here.
WXM.
35.40
WXM.
cents.
WXM. 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 WXM.
Sometimes it pays to chase, sometimes you get wrecked. This would have been
WXM.
if you would have chased it, you would have been fine.
WXM. WAFU. NCRA.
Wafoo. Wafoo is going. Not a lot, but it's moving enough.
MGIH. WAFU.
There's our gap fill.
NVDA.
3-minute RSI is curling down pretty hard now.
NVDA. WXM. Plug.
NVIDIA shares getting a pop here in the pre-market now.
WXM. WXM.
219.84 NVDA.
WXM. WXM.
WXM is going again.
WXM. WXM. WXM.
Peek at that one. Yeah.
WXM.
This one's gonna get crazy.
WXM.
Yep, this was it.
WXM.
50%. Good winner.
RCKT.
6 million shares of volume right now. So there was plenty of volume in it. Real good pop. Failure of $1. Failure to reach $1. Failure of the 236.
WAFU.
And then never got back over a VWAP and
WXM.
crashed. And this is probably going to go to 40 cents. 35 cents, 40 cents. now.
WXM. CIFR.
There will be more trades. That was just our first one. So it cost me $1.43 to not take that trade, but
NCRA.
I didn't lose any
Mara.
money on the trade, just on the locates.
WAFU. WXM.
Alright, I'll be right back. Let's put the other ones up here on the chart. Well, the other thing we do is set this up for full screen page. There we go. ELPW doesn't have any locates available. Had a reverse split yesterday. $0.55 a share and single use now. No, not doing it. Let's see what else we got. Oh, that's the wrong UZX. This one. That one got smacked hard too. If this gets to VWAP again, that would probably be more of a buy. I want to see what the locates are on it. I don't think I looked at the locates yet. Yeah, 75 cents a share. So yeah, it's probably more of a buy, but I haven't really looked at it. 330,000 share float. China, no news. 121 months of cash. It just doesn't seem like something that I would be interested in. German 5-year coming in.
WXM. 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 WXM.
Yeah, WXM's probably going to go for $10 now. It hasn't made it yet to 10, so this is the triple top.
ELPW.
WXM. WXM.
There it goes.
WXM.
Now it just might get a little out of control.
WXM.
Broke 10, now it's going to get a little hairy. If somebody's trying to short it and they just set it up that they cover at 10. It's probably going to go to 11, 12, 13 now.
AKAN.
WXM. WYHG.
Do a 10
ELPW.
share buy of it.
ELPW.
Fill.
ELPW. ELPW.
Just for a little pop
ELPW.
if it gets up to 11.
ELPW.
Just cover my locates of CIGL.
ELPW. 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 ELPW.
AKAN.
WXM.
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 We can get a 11. 11's my
ELPW.
target on this little scalp.
ELPW.
ELPW is getting some action again.
ELPW.
Fill.
ELPW. ELPW. WXM. WXM.
Fill.
SKYQ. WAFU.
It's holding
MTEN.
10. No.
Fill.
I wanted to see it go to 1025 and then
MTN.
skip up to 1050. I covered my locates earlier of CIGL. Now I'm now I'm flat on the day again, just waiting for another trade.
MTEN. MTEN. AKAN. AKAN. AKAN.
AKAN, we've traded that one before. Let's see what it's doing. No news popper. Okay, NCRA, you're losing your spot.
ELPW.
Oh yeah, this is the text pump one. Let's get that one going. Locate offered.
ELPW.
4 cents a share. It is totally reasonable
ELPW.
if we can get back up to the $6.
WXM.
Let's see what.
WXM. WXM.
Miss monthly pivot at 16. Current monthly pivot at 7. 200 at 13.89.
NCRA.
We can get to the current monthly pivot.
AKAN.
Dropping this as a 90.
LTEN. AKAN. 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 Big spread. AKAN. Big spread.
Yep, there it is. CIGL. Down to the 40s.
ELPW. 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 WXM. ELPW. 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 IREN. Riot. AKAN. Big spread.
There we go. Come on, little buddy. Make it up to the current monthly pivot.
PLBY.
You're 4 cents a share.
AKAN. 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 AKAN.
Locate offered. 4 cents a share still.
WXM.
Totally reasonable. Just gonna
WXM.
wait. I want it to get to the current monthly pivot. We're at 6 again.
WXM.
Come on. You got
WXM.
plenty of room down to 5.
WXM.
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 WXM. There you
WXM.
go. Now you go to 1050. You were skipping around and playing games around 10, and I didn't hold my longs.
NCRA.
But yeah, that was a good pop to 1050 in a cover. AKAN, I would say, still not
AKAN.
saying I'm going to fall.
AIHS.
WXM.
It did test the high a second time, 634.
WXM.
But I really want to see it get just a little bit higher. Like, if we could touch the current monthly pivot, that would be awesome.
MGIH.
I don't think I have any text pumps on it again since the last time. They'll probably put one out now that it's popping up. QNTM was their
Plug.
pump yesterday.
ELPW. 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 ELPW.
Maybe just smack it a little bit with AKAN. See what happens. Because they're not single use shares. Locate offered. Still 4 cents.
No, what are you waiting for?
Phil,
Do it!
WAFU.
try a little bit here. If we can get down to here, that'd be nice. And it's down to there. Take half off at 25 cents, which would be 40. It's right at the 9 on the 2 minute. The 21 on the 2 minutes, 530. We can dip below 40.
AKAN. AKAN. ELPW. ELPW.
Phil,
AKAN.
started popping back up over 50. It's
LPW.
kind of holding the 9. That was a okay little scalp.
ELPW.
$15. I just did 100 shares. If I would have
ELPW.
taken it at 40, it'd been 25 bucks.
AKAN.
Hose.
But it covers the locates. The locates were I only located 200 shares for a start position just because it was 4 cents a share, so
MGIH.
net positive so far 8.
MGIH. ELPW.
WXM looks
ELPW.
strong.
KOXE.
It's like that is really you need a pullback to buy this again. Like you need a pullback down to 9 minimum. Oh, and
WXN.
then AKAN just didn't hold. So that would have been a better hold, but I just didn't like that it was $2 below the current monthly pivot. It was just a little scalp and test a theory.
Right.
No news, previous text pump.
AKAN.
The dilution tracker was all red except offering ability. It's a nano float too, so it could have went against me really quickly, so
TENX.
overall execution was good. Happy with that little scalpy scalp.
KNO.
ELPW. WAFU. MLCI. AKAN. WAFU. WXM. 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 WXM.
See what Trade Zero's locate fee was on AKAN. 8.5 cents. So not terrible.
Palm.
Now if I would have shorted
AKAN.
it right at 6, then yeah, but I
MLCI.
wanted to see that it wasn't going to hold first.
MGIH. WYHG. MLCI.
MGIH is doing some gaps. So this is low volume. These
MTEN.
gaps are occurring from low volume. It doesn't have enough share
AKAN.
volume in it to really even plan anything right now.
IBG.
I would say if it gets to 250 that you would start getting interested in it. So let's just set an alert.
ELPW. ELPW. ELPW.
ELPW looks like it's going to be a
WXM.
long trade
ELPW.
versus a short trade right now. It's holding VWAP now since about 5:20. There's no news on it. It was reverse split yesterday, so I expect a headline coming.
WYHG. AKAN. WYHG. ELPW. ELPW. WYHG. WYHG. TENX.
10x. We've traded that one before. I don't think it's done anything yet today. It's just
SF.
7%.
WYHG. 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 ELPW.
10x. Oh, that was yesterday's crasher.
WXM.
Investigating potential securities law
WYHG.
violation after phase 3 trial failure.
WXM.
Wow.
WYHG.
I'll pull up the
WYHG.
chart.
WYHG.
We'll do it here.
WXM.
Okay, let's go to the long term.
WYHG. WYHG. MGIH.
This was the short
WYHG.
to have.
HUYA.
WYHG.
This is when that phase 3
WAFU.
trial news came out that it failed, and then it went 13, and then 160, 169.
MGIH.
Wow.
WYHG. WXM. WYHG.
WYHG. WYHG.
Oh, this one's high of the
WYHG.
day.
WYHG.
Yesterday during the regular market,
WYHG.
1264.
WYHG.
WYHG.
Getting a pop here. Whiskey Yankee Hotel Golf.
Mara.
Wing Yip Food.
TENX.
Nano Float. I regained compliance a month ago. Not really like clamoring to trade it. I
WYHG.
think I traded it
WYHG.
yesterday.
WYHG.
Long. Here. Yeah, I did trade it long. I traded it. I think I did a buy and a sell in the 10s and 11s when it was halting yesterday.
MGIH.
Hmm.
AKAN. ELPW.
So WYHG makes me think about
NTEN.
some of those
WYHG.
big runners last week. Like what was the 2 or 3 that we did have? Those ones that went super crazy. And they were more expensive too. YXT did it. CLRO was another one.
Pose.
NCRA. WAFU.
Yeah, now ACAM is filled one of the
WYHG.
gaps. We got 2 more to fill.
WYHG.
NCRA.
See if it holds or fails $5.
NCRA.
Pose.
WFF.
TKNO.
MTEN. WAFU. WAFU. Plug. WAFU. WAFU. WXM. ELPW.
OGI.
ELPW. ELPW. OGI. ELPW.
I'm gonna take a little coffee break.
TSEM, Tango San Diego Michael, Tower Semi, Open Light and Tower Semiconductor expand PH18DA photonics ecosystem to accelerate photonic IC development. Tango San Diego Michael.
Plug. ELPW. ELPW. ELPW.
AP Ampco Pittsburgh reported 7 cents.
ELPW.
That's versus a loss of 36 cents year over year for Alpha Papa.
AKAN. WXM. WYHG. WYHG. WXM. MTEN.
OUST ousted Blue City
WXM.
with Rev 8 LiDAR.
AKAN.
Rev 8 LiDAR wins multi-million-dollar
WXM.
traffic modernization
MTEN.
expansion. That's Oscar Uniform Sandy Tango.
WXM. WXM.
BHST, BioHarvest secures 20-ton manufacturing and supply agreement for Rare Botanical
WXM.
luxury fragrance.
AKAN.
Bravo Hotel Sandy Tango.
MTEN. WAFU.
OGI.
OGI. WAFU.
Alec.
OGI. OGI. WAFU. OGI. WXM. WFF. WXM. WXM.
Zion.
Alec. Big spread. OGI. WXM. WXM. Zion. Plug. Zion. WAFU. Plug. WAFU. MTEN. WXM. WAFU. 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 ELPW.
Zion.
Zion. SKYQ. AKAN.
ZKIN.
WXM. WXM. WAFU. WXM. OGI. OGI.
OGI.
NCRA. PLBY.
BHST.
WYHG.
CVRX.
WXM. WXM. WYHG. MTEN. WAFU. NCRA. AKAN. WAFU.
BHST.
WXM. MTEN. WXM. WAFU. SE. Watch the spread. NCRA.
OGI.
WYHG. WXM. WYHG. WYHG. WXM. OGI. ELPW. 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 WXM.
OGI.
OGI. OGI. FRMI. OGI. AKAN. HFFG. ELPW. WAFU. WAFU. WYHG. WAFU. 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 AIHS. Big spread. WXM. WXM. WAFU. WXM. 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 AIHS. Big spread. WXM. WXM. OGI. WXM. WXM. SE. Watch the spread. WXM. 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 AIHS. Big spread. AIHS. Big spread. WYHG. WYHG. MTEN. AIHS. Big
PBK.
spread. AIHS. Big spread. AIHS. Big spread. AIHS. WXM. WXM. WYHG. FRMI. WYHG. FRMI. AIHS. WYHG. AIHS. WYHG. WYHG. NCRA. WYHG. MTEN. NCRA. WYHG. WYHG. ELPW. AIHS. Big spread. ELPW. 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 Mu. Big spread.
CNDT.
Mu. Big spread. WYHG. ELPW. CNDT. Big spread. WYHG. WYHG. MTEN. WYHG. CNDT. WYHG. MTEN. ELPW. WAFU. WAFU. WYHG. WYHG. WAFU. NCRA. OGI. Riot. WYHG. OGI. ELPW.
WYHG. WYHG.
OGI. WAFU. IREN. OGI. OGI. WXM. Riot. FRMI. WAFU. WXM. ELPW. ELPW. OGI. ELPW.
GCL.
OGI. OGI. OGI.
OGI.
OGI. Mu. Watch the spread.
WYHG.
Big spread.
WYHG.
B. Big spread. ELPW. MRVL. Big spread. WAFU.
OGI.
NCRA. Riot. OGI. 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 ELPW. MGIH. MGIH.
OGI.
OGI. OGI. MTEN. WYHG.
PLAG.
WAFU. OGI. MTEN. WYHG. MTEN. WYHG. WXM. 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 NCRA. SE. Watch the spread.
SE, San Diego. C Limited reporting 70 cents. The estimate was 75 cents. Revenue
WXM.
7.79 billion. The estimate was 7.062 billion. For
SE.
SE,
Watch the spread. WXM. BHST. WXM.
Meds.
WXM.
SAFX XCF Global sells renewable diesel from
NCRA.
refinery to Tartan Oil. Send the Alpha Foxtrot
Meds.
X-ray. PSN
ELPW.
Parsons wins $40 million U.S. Army electronic warfare contract. Papa Sandy November.
NB.
BW Babcock and Wilcox signs Siemens Energy deal to start
ELPW.
work on 20 steam turbines for data centers. That's Bravo Whiskey.
WXM. WXM. ELPW. ELPW. NB.
MEDS Datameds AI getting a pop here. $1.97. Company last night announced the rebranding of its pharmacy subsidiaries.
NB.
That's Michael Echo Delta Sandy. Actually, that was earlier on Monday.
SE.
SE.
Watch the spread. WXM. WXM. WXM.
SEC
WXM.
Limited shares up $10 now, 124.90, following that better than expected report.
WXM.
NB.
WXM. 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 WXM.
Phil.
WXM.
GPUS hyperscale board considers all options that maximize shareholder
SE.
value, including potential
Big
sale of
spread.
its Michigan data center. Golf Pop Uniform Sandy.
ELPW. ELPW.
Dario
NCRA.
Health reported a loss of 72 cents, better than the loss of $1.22 that
PMAX.
was expected. Sales coming in short for DRIO,
NB.
Delta Romeo India Oscar.
Phil.
BHST.
ARMK Aramark reported 52 cents. That's a beat. Sales also coming in ahead for Alfa Romeo Michael Kilo.
WXM.
Phil. 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 Phil.
WXM.
Phil.
WXM. 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 ELPW. MGIH. ELPW. IPHA. NCRA. MGIH. NCRA. WAFU. MGIH. BHST. NCRA. BHST. MGIH. WXM. WXM. OGI. MGIH. ELPW. OGI. ELPW. NCRA. WXM. SE. Big spread. MGIH. SE. Big spread. WXM. WAFU. SE. Watch the spread. WXM. WAFU. WXM. 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 WAFU.
ELTX.
WXM. SE.
Shares of Gap
SE.
trading down about 40
Watch the
cents,
spread.
21.10. Barclays
WXM.
downgrading from an overweight to an equal weight on Gap GAP. Price target lowered from $26 to $20. That's
WAFU.
Golf Alpha Papa.
WBUY.
UAA, Under Armour also getting a downgrade at Barclays to an underweight. That's Uniform Alpha Alpha.
MTEN. WXM. MGIH. MTEN. MGIH.
CAH, Cardinal Health reporting. CAH, Cardinal Health out with their results. Reporting $2.91 adjusted earnings.
MGIH.
The estimate was $2.42. So that's a beat. Revenue $63.7 billion. That is short of the $65.0 billion, 029 billion estimate for CAH Cardinal Health.
MGIH. WXM.
Cardinal Health
WXM. WXM,
WXM,
WXM. Big spread. WXM,
WXM,
WXM.
Cardinal Health sees full year adjusted earnings of $12.40 to $12.60
WXM,
SE,
WXM,
versus the
WXM,
$12
WXM,
estimates
WXM,
for CAH.
WXM,
WXM,
Cardinal Health shares right now at 248.67, up about $11.50 off the highs right now. CAH. Jacobs wins letter J, CUWCD engineering role on $750 million Utah Strawberry Highline water pipeline project. That's letter J.
WXM, WXM, WXM. WXM, 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 WXM. WXM, WXM. ELPW,
CAH Cardinal Health said $5.5 billion incremental repurchase authorization
SE,
approved by
spread.
the board of directors. That's Charlie Alpha Hotel.
WXM,
SNTG,
AKAN, MGIH, WAFU, FRMI. MTEN, MTEN, WXM, WXM. ELPW, ELPW, WXM,
WXM,
WXM. WXM, NCRA, WXM, WXM,
WXM, WXM, WXM,
WXM.
WXM, WXM.
WXM. WXM. WAFU. ELPW. SE. Watch the spread. SE. Big spread. MGIH. Riot. WXM. 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 Riot.
RKLX.
ELPW.
NMG.
NB. IBG.
XTIA.
OGI. ELPW. OGI. WYHG. WXM. 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 ELPW. MGIH. OGI. WYHG. OGI.
RKLX.
OGI. ELPW. ELPW. WXM. WXM. TENX. WXM. SE. Watch the spread. AKAN. WXM. TENX.
AIHS,
AIHS. Big spread.
AIHS,
AIHS. Big spread. AIHS. 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 AIHS.
AIHS shares spiking here now. Alpha
AIHS.
India Hotel Sandy. AIHS. Send me out
AIHS,
letter of intent for strategic
AIHS,
partnership
AIHS.
with Emergence Power and
AIHS.
Emergence Utah. That's Alpha India Hotel Sandy. Send me out to invest $5 million in Emergence Utah development.
WXM.
KOPN,
KOPN. MGIH.
RNXT, ACIU,
AIHS. AIHS.
NTHI,
ETOR, eToro to acquire Trade Zero to accelerate
AIHS.
U.S. expansion.
AIHS.
That's Echo Tango Oscar Romeo.
AIHS.
AIHS, AIHS,
AIHS.
AIHS,
ACIU, AC Immune receives FDA Fast Track designation for anti-alpha synuclein active immunotherapy, ACI 7104. That's Alpha Charlie India uniform. BYND Beyond Meat announcing a 1-for-30 reverse stock split. Bravo Yankee November Delta.
PHIO, AIHS, AIHS,
AIHS.
SNES,
WXM.
AIHS,
Jenk. Jank. BW. BW.
GYGY.
BW.
BRKR, Bruker takes minority stake in Itinerary Technologies.
PHIO.
That's Bravo Romeo Kilo Romeo, BRKR.
UPWK.
WAFU. AIHS.
AIHS.
WXM. MGIH. WXM. WXM. MGIH. WXM. AIHS. AIHS.
AIHS. HIMS. AIHS.
AIHS, over $4 now. Alpha India Hotel Sandy.
MGIH. WXM. WXM. MGIH. MGIH.
S&P futures getting a
WXM.
pop here. XTIA Aerospace delays Q3
WXM.
Q2
AIHS.
results.
WYHG. ELPW.
RKLX.
AIHS.
AIHS.
VFS, VinFast Unit
AAL.
VinSpace signed SpaceX launch contract for 2027 satellite rideshare mission. That's Victor Foxtrot Sandy and Sandy Papa Charlie X-Ray.
CLSK.
Shares of
ELPW.
VinFast popped on that, then
WAFU.
pulled back.
CLSK.
BZAI. CLSK. WYHG. IBG. CLSK.
NRXS.
SE. Big spread.
Cody.
ELPW. OGI. AIHS.
RKLX.
OGI. ELPW. AIHS. OGI.
SE.
WXM.
RKLB
IBG.
shares at the pre-market high now. Romeo Kilo Lima Bravo still trading
IBG.
down to the day following their earnings report
IBG.
yesterday. That's Romeo Kilo Lima Bravo.
AIHS. AIHS, IBG. IBG. WAFU. WYHG. WYHG.
CLSK.
WXM. MGIH. WXM. WXM. WAFU. MGIH. ONDS. ASTS. WAFU. AIHS. WAFU. AIHS. AIHS. AIHS.
SE.
WAFU. MGIH. AIHS. ELPW.
FWDI.
AIHS. AIHS. WXM. AIHS. MARA. IBG. SE. Big spread.
FEMY.
ELPW.
MLSs. ASTS.
TENX.
CLSK.
HFFG. AIHS. 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 WAFU.
BMR.
MTEN. CRNT. NCRA. WYHG. JENC. WYHG. WYHG. WAFU. WAFU. AIHS. AIHS. AIHS.
IVDA.
AIHS.
BMR.
AIHS. SE. Big spread. AIHS. 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 AIHS.
TPET.
MTEN. MGIH. AIHS. WXM.
ASTS.
AIHS. WXM.
FF.
AIHS. AIHS.
BMR.
MGIH. MARA. AIHS. WXM.
EFOR, Everforth wins $30 million DHA IT monetization contract. Echo Foxtrot Oscar Romeo, EFOR.
WXM. AIHS.
BFS, VinFast further expands authorized service outlet
HFFG.
network in Indonesia.
FF.
That's Victor Foxtrot Sandy. POLA, Polar Power, receives orders for 15 solar hybrid power systems in Solomon Islands. That's Papa Oscar Lima Alpha, POLA.
WXM.
PRSO. Calc.
SE. Big spread. NCRA. UAVS. AIHS,
Anna,
AIHS, AIHS, Pola,
POLA
AIHS.
Polar Power
Pola.
popping here on that
Pola.
order news. Papa Oscar Lima Alpha POLA.
AIHS,
KOPN,
Pola,
Locate offered.
WXM, AIHS,
No! What are you waiting
3,
for? Do it!
WXM, WXM,
ACVA,
WXM, WXM, ACVA. Watch the spread. WXM, 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 ACVA. Big spread. ACVA. Watch the spread. ACVA. Watch the spread.
ACV auctions shares getting a pop here to the highs now. Company last night announced availability of its Viper automated
Locate
vehicle
offered.
scanning system for car dealerships. That's
AIHS.
Alpha Charlie Victor Alpha.
AIHS. 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 ACVA. Big spread. WXM. ACVA.
ACVA,
ACVA, more highs now, 836.
ACVA. Big spread. AIHS. ACVA. AIHS. WXM.
BBY, Best Buy on light volume off the highs now, $84 up $1.57 after getting an upgrade at Truist
ACVA.
to a buy. That's Bravo Bravo Yankee.
WXM. WXM.
CRVS.
ELPW. WXM. WXM. AIHS. ACVA. MTEN. PIII. AIHS. PIII. Big spread. ACVA. PIII. Big spread. MGIH. WXM. AIHS. AIHS. AIHS.
ACVA.
MGIH. WXM. WAFU. 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 CRNT. POLA. AIHS.